What's up everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to import private key on Bullx. Now to do this, the process is quite really simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. And if you don't have your Bullx account, I'll provide a link in description. You guys can go and check it out from there. Now what we will do is we'll head over to this left side and this menu would pop up right here. We click on the wallet manager, and once you open up your wallet manager, here as you guys can see, my wallet was generated more than 24 hours ago, so that private key icon option is not available. So what we can do here is if we can create a new wallet. Now within 24 hours I'll be able to download its private key, just like that. On above you can see this icon popping up. We'll click on it, and from there we can easily download it. To download, we can simply click on this icon and this option would pop up. Simply click on the download button and save it somewhere safe. Now to transfer your funds from the previous wallet to this wallet, we can make it our primary wallet. After that, we'll be able to transfer funds from that previous wallet to the newly one that we just created. Well, that's it for today's video. If the video was helpful for you guys, do consider subscribing to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.